Hi YouTube, I'm just going to do a quick video about my camouflage stock, which I've done. I have spray painted it a camouflage colour, so brown, black and green. And I've also done a shooting stick in camouflage. It's not as good as the gun, but it'll do. And I've done that with these spray paints. Satin super brown, a matte green, and a matte black, and that is the result. What I did, I just sanded it down, and then added the first coat, and then done all that. Done the same with the stick as well. So yeah, that is my camouflaged wood stock and my stick. Thank you for watching.